What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Corgi AI, which has been performing very well over not just the last 24 hours, but as you guys can see, over the last few days it has been hitting huge green candlesticks, and in the last 24 hours itself it has pumped up over 40% in value. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Corgi AI. Can it essentially pump up to 0.01 cents over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and overall in 2024, how high can it go? And we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it too late to invest into it, or should you invest into it before it pumps up even higher? Or on the other hand, if you're already on a profit right now, should you sell it before it crashes back down, or should you simply hold on to it? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and both short-term and long-term holders as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Corgi AI, which is here in purple at 0.002 cents. However, the crypto is trading at nearly double its value here in red at just under 0.004 cents, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, yes, I'm expecting more green candles over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to take a little bit of a dip towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, dropping back down to around 0.004 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So essentially where it is at the moment is where it's likely to take a dip back down to by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But in between that time, do expect it to hit more red candlesticks, why am I getting confused guys? Do expect it to hit more green candlesticks over the next couple of hours before it takes a dip back down towards the end of the day. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days again we're still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction and looking quite steep as well. So once again, this is not as realistic as it seems. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of next week, I am expecting Corgi AI to have taken a little dip back down in value below 0.0027 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason being is, personally, from the predictions and analysis that I have done, Corgi AI is currently overvalued, so it is bound to go for a price correction by early to mid next week, dropping back down in value. So we should see Corgi AI hitting more red candlesticks next week guys, even though in between that time it is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment over the weekend and early next week before it slowly starts to take a little dip in value, hitting more red candlesticks is what I'm expecting from Corgi AI by early to mid next week, and potentially towards the end of next week as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks again we're not looking as steep, but we are still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late April 2024, I am expecting Corgi AI to have taken a drop back down in value. Again, same reason as I said earlier, the cryptocurrency from my predictions is currently overvalued, just like what's happened back here in December. It went through a major increase in value and took a little dip back down. Yes, it's pumped up in between, but overall it has dropped back down in value. So I'm expecting it to pump in value for now, and then potentially mid to late March and early April start hitting red candles, dropping back down to below 0.002 cents in value is what my expectations are at the moment. However, we are likely to see green candles in between, where it's likely to take the odd pump in between. But once again, guys, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side, going through a price correction. So heading into the Fibonacci scale here, we can see it is currently at its all-time high, and even earlier on it did break out from the blue zone into the green zone. So not earlier today, earlier this week, and it did not resist a single bit, and that is another reason that proves my point as to why it's overvalued and it is not sustainable right now, hence why it is likely to go for a price correction over the coming days and weeks as well. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 35% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $7 million, which is again a huge increase. Reason is, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, so we are seeing more and more people trading the crypto, both buyers and sellers point of view. However, if you are looking to invest into it right now, I would make sure my risk management is on point, and I would be very careful with it, because personally right now it is a very risky investment, especially that it's pumped up so much. We do have a message here for Corgiai. According to Gopslos Labs, if that's how you say it, the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract owner. For example, disabling, selling, change fees, mint new tokens or transfer tokens. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own due diligence. So this is my take and my prediction on Corgiai. I'm not expecting it to hit 1 cent anytime soon, because I'm expecting it to go for a price correction. I've seen a lot of people online saying Corgiai is likely to hit the 1 cent target. People even said 10 cents, which is way out of the scale right now. Even 1 cent is a push, guys. I'm not expecting it to hit that anytime soon. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high or how low are you guys expecting Corgiai to go in 2024? Comment down below, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button. I like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.